Hi everyone, and welcome back to our amazing science lab. Today, we're going to explore the weird and wonderful world of non-Newtonian fluids. Are you ready to see a liquid act like a solid? And a solid act like a liquid? For this experiment, we'll need 2 measuring cups, cornstarch from your home, food coloring, a stirring stick, a small spoon, and water. First, use the spoon to measure out 15 grams of cornstarch and pour it into one of the measuring cups. Then add a few drops of food coloring to the other measuring cup, which has the water. Stir it well to create colorful water. Now slowly pour the colored water into the measuring cup with cornstarch. Here's the important part. Stir the cornstarch constantly as you pour the water in. Keep stirring until all the water is mixed with the cornstarch. If you added too much water and the mixture is too runny, add a bit more cornstarch. If it's too thick, add a few more drops of water. Keep adjusting until you have a gooey mixture that behaves in a strange way. Now play with your non-Newtonian fluid. What happens when you squeeze it in your hand? What happens when you slowly dip your finger into it? What happens when you punch it quickly? It's like a liquid and a solid at the same time. If the mixer gets too dry after a while, just add a bit more colorful water and mix it in. The secret behind our strange goo is that it's a non-Newtonian fluid. It doesn't follow the normal rules of liquids like water or juice. Normal liquids have a constant viscosity, which means their thickness or resistance to flow stays the same. But non-Newtonian fluids are different. Their viscosity changes depending on how much force you apply to them. Think of it like this. When you punch the goo quickly, it acts like a solid, resisting your force. But when you slowly dip your finger into it, it acts like a liquid, flowing easily around your finger. Non-Newtonian fluids are all around us. Many of the liquids in our bodies, like blood and even the stuff inside our cells, are non-Newtonian. It's a fascinating area of science that shows us just how weird and wonderful the world of liquids can be.